With a description like fecal, Indole is definitely a negative aroma. It isn't very common in beer, but when it is present and identifiable, it makes beer unenjoyable. This is a substance that indicates problems with brewery hygiene, so a brewery that has this in their beer needs to identify the source and take corrective action to eliminate it. Indole is produced by bacterial contamination. Bacteria that test positive for cleaving indole from tryptophan include Aeromonas hydrophilia, Escherichia coli, Flavobacterium, Klebsiella oxytoca, and Proteus species. These bacteria are considered enteric bacteria, which are gram-negative and are pH and alcohol sensitive, so they'll only grow in the early stages of fermentation. In order to avoid contamination, it's critical to clean and sanitize all equipment that will come into contact with wort and beer. Use of rapid analysis tools like ATP swabbing can indicate when equipment is not being cleaned sufficiently to be considered sanitized.